It's Lightbox Day in the frame shop. So you may have noticed light boxes probably in an airport, but I'm seeing these more and more in retail locations. I was recently in a T-Mobile store and they had a huge one behind their front counter. And I'm seeing these a lot in retail stores like department stores and clothing stores. And retail situations like these, because they make a lot of impact, they get your attention. And you can change out the graphics, which of course is why advertisers like them, because they can change them easily. These are SEG graphics, silicone edge graphics, which means that the image is sublimated on a polyester fabric, and then a 1/4-inch piece of clear silicone is sewn to all four sides, and that little piece pushes into a slot on the front of the frame. And this makes it easy for you to change out the graphics from the front. You don't need any special skills, almost anyone can do it. So we're using these less for advertising and more as an art piece. These are great for the centerpiece piece of art, and they get a lot of attention because of the lighting. And the change out feature, I think, is something that's interesting that you can take advantage of. So you could put in seasonal change outs. You could of course do advertising, but this gives you the opportunity to change it to, say, a Christmas theme and back to a spring theme, so forth. Now these come out really pretty easy. There's a little tab here and you just pull it. Easier said than done. And it pulls out of the slot just like that. And there it is. So these can be pulled out, changed out. You don't need a lot of special skill or tools, and they make a really great impact. So follow us on YouTube, check out our website, give us a call to discuss light boxes or anything else, and I will see you next time in the frame shop.